Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually update our computer, where to go to update our computer. You might not familiar with that particular area, but what you can actually do, you come right down here at the startup menu, you're going to click on it. Now when you click on startup menu, this is exactly where it actually take you. You can come right here and click on the word settings. Otherwise, you can type it right here in the search bar. If you notice right here, this itself is update and security. They want to click directly on that. That's very important. You notice when I click on that now, this over here is it bring up Windows Update, Delivery Optimization, Windows Security, File Backup, right here, Recovery, Activate. You can find device. And if you notice right up here, they show you the last time this thing you update. You can come right here and check for update. If you notice, you can actually schedule it and all that. You can actually change the active hour. Right here, you can actually view history. You notice, get the latest update as soon as it's available. If you notice, you can actually click right here. And there's some extra stuff right away. You can check storage right here. Now that. So very important so far. So hope you have learned something from this particular video here. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.